Floatz AI is one of the latest tools to hit the AI scene, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using this software. If you've been wondering whether Floatz AI is the right tool for you, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end because I'm breaking down exactly what makes this software stand out from the crowd. So, what makes Floatz AI special? First, this software comes with a powerful set of automation tools that can take your workflows to the next level. Whether you're running a business or managing a project, Floatz AI helps you streamline tasks without losing any of the personalization that makes your work stand out. If you're new to automation or AI, this will definitely simplify your life while boosting productivity. What's impressive right off the bat is the intuitive user interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with Floatz AI. Unlike some other AI tools that can be overwhelming, this software is designed to be user-friendly, meaning you can start using it right away without hours of training. The clean design and easy navigation will save you time, and for anyone managing digital marketing campaigns or even day-to-day business tasks, that's huge. One of the key features that sets Floatz AI apart is its ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing tools. Whether you're using Slack, Google Drive, or other major platforms, Floatz AI connects without missing a beat, ensuring you don't have to completely change the way you work to reap the benefits. And if you're someone who needs a quick way to automate repetitive tasks, you'll be glad to know that Floatz AI's task automation is super smooth. From scheduling meetings to responding to client queries, the software takes care of the heavy lifting for you. Another impressive aspect is Floatz AI's deep learning capabilities. This means that it adapts over time based on your preferences and the data you feed into it. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes, offering suggestions and improvements that are relevant to your needs. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, this ability to adapt is something that could save you tons of time and effort in the long run. Let's talk about how Floatz AI can actually help you scale your business. With its built-in analytics and reporting features, you can track your performance and see exactly what's working and what's not. This level of insight is essential for making data-driven decisions, and if you're someone who's serious about growing your business, Floatz AI can provide the tools you need to make that happen. But here's where Floatz AI shines above the rest: its affordability. Unlike many AI tools that come with hefty price tags, Floatz AI gives you full access to its features for a reasonable cost. And right now, you can even try it completely free from the first link below. That's right, no commitment required. So if you're still on the fence, why not test it out for yourself? Now I know you're probably wondering, how does this compare to other tools out there? After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that Floatz AI stands out for its balance of power and simplicity. Whether you're just starting with AI or you're an experienced user, this software makes it easy to tap into its full potential without getting overwhelmed. Finally, if you're still on the fence about Floatz AI, I've got a little surprise for you. I've listed my recommended AI software down below in the description. These are tools I've personally used and tested after working with hundreds of different platforms. So, if Floatz AI isn't quite your fit, don't worry. There are other great options for you to explore. To wrap up, Floatz AI has earned its place among the best new AI software out there. With its seamless integrations, task automation, deep learning, and affordable pricing, it's definitely a tool you'll want to keep on your radar. Give it a try for free with the link below and see how it can transform your productivity and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, check out my full list of AI recommendations in the description below and give them a try for yourself.